Today's expressions are related to a ball. You can have a ball, and this means that you can have an amazing time or a wonderful time. For example, I went to the party yesterday and I had a ball. A ball is also the name of an elegant party. For example, Cinderella went to the ball. To get the ball rolling is an expression to start the process. For example, if you want to negotiate a contract and you want to start, you need to get the ball rolling. To make a balls of something is to make a mess or to make a disaster. For example, I made a balls of my homework yesterday. It's very informal. If you are on the ball, this means you are very alert and you're in control of the situation. For example, yesterday I sent my manager the correct information because I was on the ball. To have the balls to do something is also slang, and this means that you have the courage or the bravery to do the action. If the ball is in your court, this is a metaphor for sport, and it means it's your responsibility to take the action. Now it's your opportunity and you have the control of the situation. The ball is in your court. A ballpark figure is a metaphor from baseball, and it means a rough or an estimate of a number. For example, I want to buy that car. You need to give me a ballpark figure for the price. A curveball is also a metaphor from baseball, and this is related to when you receive an action that you don't expect, you need to adapt and you need to react very quickly. You need to dodge and avoid the curveball.